Yes, so today, boys, back with the World Cup tournament, and as you can see, all the boys are all training before the game. Got Portugal, Argentina, Brazil, and Portugal, and England. So before we start, they're all training now, and if they don't train, they're not playing. So that's how easy it is. So yeah, let's go introduce the players, and yeah, let's go and introduce some of the players. Let's go. So here with the official match day today. How do you feel?
Feel good. Looking at every other team, they're good. Jewish man, he has a good team. Oh, did he? So this is my team. We've got Ethan and Eason. I mean Wilson, sorry.
Right. Anyways,
And me, Matt.
you reckon you'll win today?
We don't have the best chance, but I reckon we're underrated.
All right. Okay then.
Wilson Wu, absolutely baller.
Okay. Is there anything?
Yes, Ethan.
Anything else you want to say? Anything else you want to say before we start?
Oh, I tried to get clear.
Right then.
Let's go win, mate.
Okay. So we're on to Portugal. Here's the captain. You just warm up. Here with Portugal captain. How do you feel? First tournament.
Feel good.
Do you think you're gonna win?
Yeah, obviously we're gonna win.
Anything?
I'm so confident.
Anything we want to say to your teammates?
Pass the ball, get it all around.
Okay.
Pitch, get shots off. Big up Emily.
Anything you want to say before we start?
Come on, Portugal!
Very nice. So on to next with Brazil. We've got Tom here.
Let's play football.
Anything you want to say before we do start the amazing tournament?
That's straight that.
Okay.
Oh no!
Fucking
I've got
got.
my boots over there drying, ready to be thrilled. Do some good warm-ups, quick tacky passes, aren't we? Yes. Does he want to have our drills? Fuck yeah!
And
David Luiz.
I'm Anthony.
Does he want to have our drills? Neymar.
No.
and you reckon you're gonna win the prime today?
Obviously.
Yes. See one of our drills in action.
Okay, let's see. Let's go.
You gotta watch out the way.
Okay. Oh shit! Sorry. Very active, moving about. Nice little whip ball in. Oh, and he's missed, but who cares? At least they're actually going to try in the main tournament. Anything else you want to say before we move on to the next people? All right.
We're Brazil, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna be techie. We're gonna win, obviously, but suck my cock.
Okay. So we're on to moving up to Argentina's captain, Lucas, or you can just call Messi. Just stop for a second. I just want to ask you some questions before the thing. Lucas, just want to ask some questions before we start. How do you feel this new tournament, new World Cup one with Prime, first time? How do you feel?
Good.
Good. All right. How do you feel with your teammates, Flynn and Harla? He's not here. Flynn's not here yet, but how do you feel with Flynn and Harla?
We're gonna win. I know we're gonna win. Because it's a good team. But I could get a better team. But it's fine because I'll take it. Because Harley can just like... Harley should already get
Sorry.
Listen. So obviously you can just tackle everyone. Flynn can...
Yeah. And anyways,
You can just tackle everyone.
Yeah.
Like that. Anyway, and Flynn can just like... I don't know what he can do. And I can just go everyone out.
anything?
We have a formation.
Yeah. Anything you want to say anything you want to say?
We're underrated.
Hopefully,
We're
I finally get my sixth tournament.
All right.
I finally get it.
Wait, I want to say a few words. I'll say a few
Alright,
words.
go on then.
We're probably not gonna win, but we're gonna make it to the final. I reckon that team is gonna win.
Nice positivity.
The one with the skinny shorts, like bum ranked out.
Okay, nice positivity. And that's to the end. Let's go, boys.
Guys.
Oh.
So, if I win, y'all go comment in the comments. Argentina for life. Hashtag.
Okay.
Let's play football. World Cup. 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 This time to play football. World Cup. This time to play football.
tackle, good tackle. Get foot, right, quick. Get foot. Not right there. Molly, there. You step back, you keep it to the key.
Lucas.
I'm gonna get some cameras on. Shoot! 1-0! Come on, boys!
Get you done it.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, what a save. What's outside?
Nah, he's
By accident, but.
Bundle. Fuck. Right, this is last attack now. Oh. No. You just need to hit it out.
Between Kyle and Tom, but it's Harley. Scores! Fat man scores. Fat man.
I'm standing with the camera. I'm standing with the camera.
Oh shit! I missed the goal.
Started going like that.
Oh. Harley wins the header. Oh,
Who scored?
I think that's Ethan's goal. Play quickly, hits Harley. Harley scores. Wicks it. Oh, good block from Harley. Oh, he scored. He scored. 10 seconds left.
I'm not the greatest person to record, you know. Right, wait. What a save by Easton, man. Flynn, you referee, what are you doing? Oh! Oh! Go out! Oh! 30 seconds left! Oh! Flynn, do we have an extra minute or? Yes! What's that going on here? Might want to watch it a bit. No!
Go on, Lucas. Got a minute to come in. Oh, go. Go.
Finish! Get it! Come on! Come on! Oh shit! Shoot! Yes!
You've got 1 minute and 30 minutes. Yeah, and now you've got 1 minute 30. Go get it! Go. 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last attack. BB.
So, since they're both drawing 5 points, it's going to be a penalty shootout. So, here's the Argentina captain. And Tom, Brazil captain, come here. You're just gonna read who goes first in the penalty shootout. Rock, paper, scissors! Rock, paper, scissors. Right, there first. Let's go.
Go.
My conscience burning.
Lucas, whenever you're ready. Go, whenever you're ready. Well done, Brazil. Two. Oh shit.
Taking my top one.
This is it. Will Argentina qualify? It's Holly Holland. It's Holly Haddon. If it's Argentina. It's Argentina. It's Argentina. It's Argentina. It's Argentina. Holly Holland. Holly Holland. Holly Haddon. Argentina! Argentina! Vamos! 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 Come on!
I don't care if I lose over here. From that being cry. I scored the winning penalty.
You don't get one minute.
No, you do. If you win, you do. Yeah. Win. Only for you guys in third place.
Yeah.
I was actually so happy. Hopefully my tits don't get about on Snapchat.
I'll get this anyway, so it's fine.
See you later.
Touch, leave it.
Yeah. Go on, Harry. Harry, on this side. Yeah. Yeah. Skilly.
Wait, what's he doing? He's gone out.
Harry. 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 Quick. Harry, play back.
Ooh.
How's that, man? Get it. Lucas.
Oh.
Yes, it. Yeah, get it.
Okay, now, mate, what are you doing? How are you on the board? How are you on the board?
Kyle.
Caio. Oh, Caio! Flynn on the ball. No. Nika. Oh! Foul.
Look!
Ooh.
Hey, one went in. Lucas, sorry, that one went in, but I tried to finish it.
Bro, this stupid thing.
Lucas, jump for it. Lucas! Flynn!
You're Michael! Oh, it's Harry. Harry. Oh, easy got his head.
How long is it? 5 minutes and a half. Go on. On the second half, can we guess?
Close one.
Press shot.
Kyle, pressure in. Oh.
Shoot.
Oh, what goal? Go.
Go again! Pass, Harry!
Oh. Oh. 2 more minutes.
Kyle!
Okay, now Kyle. 2 minutes.
How long left?
2 minutes.
How many?
2 minutes. Okay, now.
Please,
Left
please,
corner.
you've got two!
Play full pitch. Micah. Running up. To Kyle. Into Harry. Oh, good defending from Lucas. Flynn missed the fucking ball. Oi. Woo! Oh, Kyle try overhead kick. Ethan, get that.
Flynn!
Flynn on it.
Stay on him!
Down to Lucas. Shoots. Wasn't in. Thought it was in. Noobs. 1 minute left. Oh. Shoot that. Oh, my. Oh, fucking hell, Ethan.
We haven't got any extra time. There's no. Get it!
Oh. Fucking hell. Dirty cunt.
Get it, Kyle! Kyle, to Michael!
Fucking hell, Kyle. Sniped.
Go, Kyle!
Nearly. What? Charger. Fucking hell. Wait, for next half. Like, how's it?
Hurry!
Shot one. Oh, it's been 5 minutes!
1 minute!
1 minute! 1 minute! Oi.
1 minute extra time.
Yeah, okay. Max is red. Foul. Foul. Yeah, it's foul. That was a foul.
Hurry! Michael, come in the box! No, come in!
He's going short.
20 seconds left.
Sorry!
Fucking hell. Oh, Flynn. Harry. I'm ball!
No, we've got an extra 5 minutes.
Oh. Yeah, right.
Be ready for the rebound. Oh.
Nope. Hola! Score! That's high kick. Oh! Ah, I'm playing the best. Oh, come on. Kyle! Finish. No way! Come on.
Yellow card. Free kick.
There was nothing.
It's alright.
Whoa. Whoa, look at Flea. No! Mark him, Michael.
Oh,
He's shooting. Yes.
What a goal.
What's the score? 3-1.
2-1.
No, 2-1. 2-1. Go on, Michael. Look, don't mind me. I'm
Nothing happened. Nothing.
Yo, keep going. Keep going.
Oh, Ali. What head?
Lucas in the box.
Oh, Lucas got past Kyle. Oh, yeah, 2-2. 3 minutes. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Woo. Close.
Wait.
So, ref touched it. Oh, bother.
use the whole pit.
Keep going.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Ooh. 2-2. 2-0 comeback to 2-2. They get another goal. Oh, strength. Holly strength. Oh. Oh shit.
Michael.
Kyle.
Shoot.
Oh, we still got it. Oh, Ethan. 2 minutes left. Good tackle. Hurry. Oh, good defense by Kyle. Nothing there. Nothing happens. Oh, good catching by Ethan. Oh, close. What the fuck? Yeah, the wingmaster's got your ass. What the fuck's going on? Bro, what are you doing? Oh. 1 minute left. Harry. Good defense by Kyle. 40 seconds. What? Come on, Argentina! 2 minutes extra time. Oh! Yes! Yeah. What? Argentina, Lucas's team. Yeah. Yeah. Two minutes extra time.
Fight and win.
Oh. No, that was a penalty. No, I didn't. He didn't. Oh, a pen.
Got the ball, Rick.
That's very intense. What are your thoughts?
You got the ball.
1 minute 30.
1 minute 30.
So I have to do that, man.
Oh, easy crossbar. Kyle, shot. Kyle, Lucas on the Lucas. 1 minute left. Oh, foul. Red card. No free kick. Red card. That's no free kick. Oh, reflexes it. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oi, Harley, just hold it. Harley, just hold it over there. Get it, Michael! Just hold it! Flynn, hold it! Yes, Harley! Last attack! It's finished! You've won! Yeah, you won! What do you think about that, man?
Fuck Portugal!
I remember.
So, it's won the
First win of the tournament, come on.
best referee here as well, who helped out. Okay.
Vamos, Argentina!
So, how do you feel winning?
To be honest, I think I should be player of the tournament. I scored an equaliser twice, a winner. I also scored another winner just then. And I made amazing blocks, so I think I should be player of the tournament.
Since I am manager, yeah?
All my heart.
Man of the match.
All my heart goes to Argentina.
And the man of the match.
Man of
And
the
I
match is
and I love Messi's balls. Suck my cock.
Alright. So, let's show you won your 6th tournament now, the Meta Moon. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
20 calories, lads. 20 calories.
Meta-moon. Yeah.
Yeah?
So I actually never tried. I've tried it, but only a cap shot. So like, this was like my first bottle. Anyway, so I reckon we would have deserved that. What was a brilliant comeback from us. Brilliant finish. My great assist to Harley at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.